Good morning, kids. My name is Kumula, and I'm going to teach you how to use Geogebra.org today to help us with our math. So let's log on to Geogebra.org. What we're going to use GeoGebra for is to help us with our graphing. Now that we've gotten into a little bit of trigonometry and algebra and functions especially. So what I want you guys to do first is to play around with it a little bit to get you familiar with how to use it. So first, let's just try a simple graph of a parabola. We'll do x squared. Make sure you press the arrow to go down so you're not completing the square, plus 1. Perfect. So you see how that works. And then we can try to just graph a simple line like x plus 1. As you see, it moves to the left. Or we can try x minus 1. So now how you see how all of that works, we can try doing a function. Like we're learning in trig how a sine graph should look is like a wave. So let's see if that turns out. So we'll do sine of x. Perfect. That's exactly how it works. So I want you guys to just go ahead and play around with GeoGebra and see how you like it. We're not going to do too much of using these tools as you see here to your left. We're just basically going to be plugging in our different quadratic formulas and making graphs out of them and posting those. So have a fun time and please email me if you have any questions. Okay, thank you.